You're watching Global Halifax. This is Global News at 6.
Every moo is a message. There is a lot of buried information behind it. We call this as a Duolingo of cow language.
Tonight, utterly unique. A new app designed by Halifax researchers looks at understanding what a cow's moo can mean. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan Spector. We'll have more on that coming up in moments.
It's a baby call. When they recognize their mother, they make that call. Hey, mom, like that.
Researchers at Dalhousie University don't want communication with cows to be a moot point. They've designed the app MooLogue to help improve animal welfare and farming practices by decoding their communications.
Every cow has her own personality. They not only talk among themselves, they also talk their cow calls, but also talk to the animal caretakers and farmers and humans.
He says that through the help of AI, they've learned every moo has meaning. The app is designed for animal lovers and farmers alike with access to cow calls and interactive quizzes.
The app is made of over 300 call types with 45 categories of dairy cows, from distress calls to happiness to contentment to maternal calf calling.
Over 1,000 hours of audio data were collected from a dozen dairy farmers in Atlantic Canada. Neethirajan says it can be used as a way to improve animal welfare. For example, a cow may vocalize pain before getting sick.
With the help of MooLogue app, by understanding that, we can intervene and move the needle from reactive through proactive for predicting that particular incident even before that happens.
Thanks to the help of the new technology, he expects greener pastures lie ahead.
From the perspective of animal kingdom, we are just starting to scratch the surface. Their lives are much more enriched. So through usage of technology, we are trying to create a more bonding, more empathy-based, compassionate farming.
Skye, Bryden-Blom, Global News, Halifax.